Hello, good people. It's your favorite anchor, Richard. We will be looking at the benefits of staying in eco-friendly accommodations with comfort and sustainability in mind. Eco-friendly lodging has been more and more popular in recent years among tourists looking for a comfortable, sustainable, and ethically conscious vacation options. Let's examine the reasons why choosing eco-friendly lodging is gratifying in addition to being an ethical decision. Number 1. Increased coziness and peace. Sustainable construction methods and renewable energy sources are given priority in eco-friendly lodgings, which create areas meant to be cozy and restful. These places provide a calm environment that encourages well-being, from eco-friendly furniture and bedding to natural lighting and ventilation systems. Guests are frequently surrounded by verdant gardens, serene scenery, and simple interior design that promotes serenity. Number 2. Diminished ecological imprint. The fact that eco-friendly lodgings have little to no environmental impact is one of their biggest benefits. To cut down on energy and water usage, these institutions use energy-efficient technologies including solar panels, LED lighting, and water-saving fixtures. Programs for recycling and waste reduction help to even lessen the environmental impact, ensuring that every visitor makes a positive contribution to sustainability efforts. Number 3. Healthier living areas. There are frequently less dangerous chemicals and better indoor air quality for guests staying in eco-friendly lodgings. Eco-certified cleaning supplies and sustainable building materials create healthier living spaces that are perfect for guests with dietary restrictions or sensitivities. The focus on natural, non-toxic products improves guests' overall health and well-being while they are visiting, encouraging a lifestyle that is health-conscious. Number 4. Link to community and local culture. Numerous environmentally conscious lodging options have deep relationships to the areas in which they are located, encouraging sustainable tourism practices that help locals and protect cultural assets. Visitors can participate in customs and eat organic food that is sourced from neighboring farms, among other genuine cultural experiences. By selecting these places, visitors learn more about the destination's distinct cultural identity while also advancing the socio-economic growth of the area. Number 5. Instructive and motivational events. Staying at environmentally conscious lodging frequently provides educational experiences that encourage visitors to incorporate sustainable habits into their everyday life. Guided nature walks, renewable energy seminars, and eco-tour all help visitors appreciate the environment and learn the value of conservation. Through these encounters, visitors develop a stronger bond with the environment and are better equipped to make decisions that advance international sustainability objectives.